It was a rough day on Wall Street, so much so that it has renewed fears that the U.S. economy could be slowing. The Dow alone dropped more than 1,000 points yesterday. The Nasdaq and the S&P also saw major losses. Japan's Nikkei average saw its worst day since 1987, although it was better today. And there could be a silver lining to all of this. Maybe it will help if the Fed is forced to cut interest rates with the housing market and your ability to buy a home. Joining us now to talk more about this is financial planner Mitch Goldberg. Good to see you here, Mitch. Thanks so much.
Good morning, Rich. Thanks so much for having me on today, and good morning to your viewers.
We know you have been preaching when you see this kind of volatility day over day, don't make any drastic decisions. Why is that?
You want to make your decisions based on your long-term plan, what your goals are in the future, and don't let one crazy day or week or month, or even a bear market, dictate what you need to do 10, 20, 30 years out. That's what I mean by that.
Still, when people see, the Dow down 1,000 points day over day, they start to worry and say, hey, maybe I should cut my losses.
It's scary, especially when people have such uncertainty, and uncertainty breeds fear. Part of being an investor is accepting the uncertainty today for the potential growth down the road. The way I say to get around this, to help with that fear, is to really plan things out so that your cash needs over the next year or 2 or 3 are already either in cash equivalents or some kind of stable investment that's liquid. In this way, you don't have to worry so much about your investments going down, because that's for the long term.
Some people have really been accustomed to seeing good day after good day, so a bit of a course correction here.
It has been a great year and a half.
Yeah.
And we've had this incredible rise in the artificial intelligence stock sector. Has it been overdone? We can argue one way or another all day long. So what I say to people is, don't make your investment decisions based on something too high or too low in your opinion. Make your decisions based on your own personal finance. Well, if I need the money from these investments over the near term, I need to take something off the table to get ready for that. That's the kind of thing. Or if they become too big a part of your portfolio, maybe you need to scale back a little bit. So if you do have a calamitous market like this, you'll be ready for it.
All right, Mitch Goldberg, we will see what the market brings today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.